Say bye to Daddy. We're going. Bye, Daddy. Say bye na, Daddy.
Ew. Ew. Go to Balin now. Ew.
This is my chocolate from my mouth.
Chocolate for your mouth?
Yeah. This doesn't look like liking
Okay. So yan, naka-shoes talaga. O, dali. Sige na, maliit na ta.
So pretty.
So pretty, okay. The other... Baliktad, baliktad, baby. Yeah, that way.
No, look at this.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Well done. Habang kumakain siya kanina, ako din. Hindi ko lang naubos, guys. Yung brioche hotdog with cheese whiz. Good morning, guys! Today is Friday. Ang tagal ko din nag-vlog. Ilang days din. I think last vlog ko Friday din yun. Yung ballet din ni Mia. Wala din kasi ako i-vlog. So, today's Friday. Yeah, ballet niya. And yeah, let's go to ballet. Let's go na. Tapos na siya sa ballet. Did you have fun? Okay, go buy food for Daddy. Okay?
No, I want to go to dentist now.
Dentist? Not yet. Your appointment is at 2:30. My dentist appointment siya. Alam niyo na yung schedule niya ngayon. Not yet, baby. It's still 11.
Okay, Mommy.
We are home. Makain siya ng frozen yogurt. Ice cream. Akala niya ice cream yan eh. Hindi niya alam frozen yogurt. Sarap yun. Kain. Mag-eat. Ito guys. Kain tayo guys. Adobo is the ulam. Is Mami's adobo very good?
Mama, you love good.
Very good?
Very good.
May question sa akin ng adobo the other day.
Every day.
Nalutuan ko na naman.
Every day.
Pangalawang adobo na to for
Goodbye.
this week.
For this week.
Yeah. Umalis na pala si Daddy guys, kanina pa. Binilan namin siya ng lunch dun sa Vietnamese restaurant, yung binilan din natin last time. Nag-ano lang siya, nag-banh mi, yung baguette. Tapos may mga kung ano-ano sa loob. Banh mi kasi yung tawag nila dun. So yun yung lunch niya. After niya kumain, umalis na siya. Pumunta siya ng shop. Mia, we'll go to the dentist later. Hindi pa siya nakabihis. Naka-bali dress pa din siya. Naka-dentist appointment niya lang 2 weeks ago. Tapos binook ulit siya this week. I don't know why. Baka i-check ulit yung ngipin niya. So binook siya ulit. Nakatanggap ako ng booking. And sabi ko na, bakit binook ulit siya? Siguro para to make sure na okay yung teeth niya. Kasi meron siyang bagang na parang meron ng hole ng konti. So to avoid na para lumaki pa yung yung hole na yun, nilalagyan siya ng, parang pinipaint nila ng black guys. Yung parang pasta sa atin or fillings. Yun siguro. Pero black yung nilalagay. So meron siyang ganun. Tapos, so for the hole not to be bigger, kailangan siya lagyan ng, uy, may camera, ng silver cup. And yung schedule ng silver cup niya is August 3. But then, lumipad kami, diba, na Pilipinas. Bumalik kami August 3 na ng gabi. So, I have to cancel the appointment. And then, I think that was Monday. Monday ba yun? Yeah. Ayun, pina-check yung teeth niya. And yeah, I think I vlogged that day. And sabi niya, they're not ready to put the silver cup for Mia na ano na dun lang sa clinic. Kailangan niya ng sa ibang parang ano dentist. Kasi that time parang nag-move siya. Sabi nila hindi nila magagawa yun sa clinic. So, meron kasi silang referral, which is, sinend ko na before, dun sa oral health something. And, yun yung may anesthesia. Yes, my love. Sit down properly and eat your food. So, yung dentist na gumawa sa kanya that day, nung Monday, nung first visit niya since umuwi kami. Bumalik na kami dito sa Australia. Sabi niya, she's not ready for the silver cup na sila maglalagay. So, kailangan talaga dun sa oral health center para lagyan siya ng anesthesia or something. So, sabi ko, oh my gosh. Kailangan na naman, ayun, kailangan mag-line up kasi daming pila, guys, kasi public health siya. So, may pila. So, di ko alam kung kailan nila magagawa yung tooth ni Mia na sa bagang. So, I don't know what's this appointment for. Siguro to check her tooth, yung may hole. So, yeah. So, every visit namin, pinipintahan siya. Parang nilalagyan ng pasta. Yun, para to avoid the hole to be bigger. And hindi siya kasama sa Medicare or anything. You have to pay for it. You have to eat this. You're not done. Come here. No, you're not full. Kunti na lang. May na ano pa. Pag adobo, ubos na ubos niya, guys. For some reason, ngayon, hindi niya ubos yung rice niya. Baka, na, super full na siya. Ayan na lang natira. O, konti na lang. Ako na naman ubos. Are you sure? Can you eat 2 more bites? 2 more. 2 more spoons. Malove. Dali, 2 more spoons. Hurry up so we can go and get ready. 1. Good job. Tapos na siya, guys. Nabihisan ko na. Nagawa ko na yung hair. Don't touch your hair na. Beautiful. You wanna see? Look. Wanna see in the camera? Don't touch na because mommy put the bangs up. And then you get the, look, the braid. Are you ready to go?
I'm going to gymnastics.
Later. Ginawa ko na yung buhok niya just in case na malate tayo sa gymnastics. Anyway, ayun na nga. So, we're going to the dentist first. Tapos, 4 pa naman yung niya, gymnastics. So, mamaya pa. 2:30 yung dentist appointment niya. Magto-2 na. So, we leave at mga 2:10 siguro or 2:05. Okay lang yan. Early pa, guys. But, yeah. So, tinay ko ulit siya i-enroll sa gymnastics. But, this time, ano pa lang trial pa lang niya this time. So, first trial niya again this time. You wanna wear that?
Hey, Mommy.
Oh.
Look at me dance.
Okay.
This is my...
Crocs yung pinili niya.
Aaron sings.
Pochi is gonna go out. Come inside. Come inside first. How? What?
Look at my son.
Okay.
Hats and coats and umbrellas and boots. Hats and coats and umbrellas and boots.
Ano?
I have to do this.
Oh.
That's my song.
That's your
And
song.
you do that, and you get stuck.
I don't know.
Don't you go
How do you sing the song? I don't know.
like this.
Oh.
Hats and coats and
Heads and what?
umbrellas and boots.
Umbrella.
And coats
Head.
and
Head or hat? Head? Hat? Hat and coats and umbrella and boots. Like that.
you have to do head and I do head.
Okay.
You're the copy.
Okay. Hat and coat, umbrella and boots.
Hat
Hat
and
and coats and umbrella and boots. Okay, turn around. Whoa. Is that your new song? New dance? You can do it? I saw you dancing. You're very, very good.
One leg straight.
Mm-hmm.
Two legs.
You're trying to do split? That's okay. Okay. Sige na, let's go na. Oh. Okay, put away your Marshall. Dali. Kompleto na yung ano niya. Paw Patrol collection. Minilan ko siya partial. O, tingnan nyo. Andiyan na si Marshall. O, dali na. O.
It's energy, Mommy.
Arch. Yeah, that's not straight yet. But that's okay.
It's energy.
Energy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
For phone.
That's true, yeah. Energy.
Energy.
Oh my gosh. Naisip mo pa yun? O, dali na. Let's go. Put away your toys first and then we can go. Oh my gosh.
I can do split.
Be careful. Put your Marshall first. And Rocky still there.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
look, I can do split. Look, I can do exercise.
Okay.
Look.
Wow. Wow. Where did you learn the exercise? Ooh.
And now look, this is scissor stroke. And now
Oh, okay.
this two, then, and I'm not hurting.
Okay. Put away na. So, ito pala yung ating belly. Busog-busog na belly. Today, we are 18 weeks. Ayan na siya, guys. 18 weeks belly. Yan. Busog na busog. Kakatapos na natin kumain. Hello, we are here. Are you ready? Ready to go to the dentist? Tingnan naman siya. Ready na siya? Can you show me your teeth? Show me people.
Oh,
Ah?
did you hear that sound?
Oh, yes, got a sound. Ito yung nakuha niyang present. Ang galing-galing talaga niya. Oh my God, I'm so proud of you. Let me see. Ah, don't touch. Ah, ayan na yung silver cup niya, guys. Tama ako. Lagyan nga silver cup. Take picture? Okay, I'll show you. I'll show daddy, okay? Akala ko i-check lang siya today.
I want to wear this. I want to
Nilagyan-
wear this and take off my shoes.
Which one?
And my gymnastics.
Okay, you have another clothes for gymnastics. Show me.
What is
Ah, it's at home. We have to go home now. I'll take picture. Don't move. Don't move. It's blurry, baby. Oh, there you go. Yeah, okay, here you go. You wanna see? That's it.
that black thing is my super.
That's your tooth.
Over here.
Yeah, that's your tooth. So don't bite it. The doctor said don't bite, huh? Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah? Stay straight. Yeah? Otherwise, your mouth gonna be so white. Gonna be swollen so bad. Oh my God, I'm so proud of you. My gosh, I'm so proud of you, baby. We're so proud of you. Don't bite it, huh? Don't. Just steady. Steady. Don't bite your mouth or your lips. Gosh, she is so good, guys. Oh my God. Wala siyang anesthesia at all. Pero, dito, gising siya. So, yung numb lang is yan yung part na yun. So, yun lang yung numb sa kanya. But she's awake. So, she understands what they're doing and everything. So, tinatry din niya na hindi ilagay yung kamay niya sa mouth niya. So, kaya yung kanya nasa likod ng kanyang bambam. Oh my God, she's so good. I didn't expect that na ilalagay today talaga. Akala ko i-check up lang siya. Or itatry kung kaya niya talaga mag-silver cup. Oh my gosh, may silver cup na talaga siya. So, yung tendency pag after ng silver cup, nagkaka-swollen, tapos pangit tingnan kasi 'di diba, numb kasi yung dito nila. So, kinakagat, may time na kinakagat nila. So, ang pangit ng result after. Tapos, siya, 1 week pa daw siya nawawala kasi yan, di nila nafe-feel na nakakagat na pala nila yung lips nila or yung skin nila sa mouth. So, no, you're not biting it, Mia? Yeah, don't bite. Yeah, don't bite. Don't touch too. Is it ouchy? So, yeah. Hindi ko alam bakit masakit. Eh, sabi naman nila numb. Pero masakit daw. Nasasaktan siya. Tapos, meron siyang oxygen dito. Yung sa nose. Kasi, syempre, hindi siya makaka-breathe sa mouth niya. So, make sure nila na may enough oxygen siya sa nose. And, tapos may sunglasses siya. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung picture niya. Grabe, nakaya niya yun. Oh my God, she's so good. Tapos ayun, sabi din ng dentist doon na she is so good daw. Well done, my love. You're staying still so much. Now they put the silver cup in your mouth. Don't bite it. Are you trying not to bite it? Good job. Don't bite. So, parang 2 days pa ba? Yung parang maninibago ata siya na meron siyang ganyan sa mouth niya. Sabi ng dentist, naabot daw niya yung nerve ni Mia sa tooth. So, kailangan mag-add ng 2 steps dun sa ginawa nilang procedure. Kasi, na-damage daw niya yung nerve. So, hindi ko alam paano niya na hit siguro niya yung nerve habang ginagawa yung pag-clean ng tooth. I don't know kung ano yung nagawa niya. Basta sabi niya na hit daw niya yung nerve. So, kailangan mag-add ng 2 steps sa procedure. Tapos, after nung na-hit niya, nilagyan niya na ng blue something. Ano yung blue na nalagay? Yung parang towel. Blue. Para makover yung ibang teeth. And yun na lang, doon na lang siya ma-focus dun sa sa tooth na yun. So, yeah. Pero, in fairness, regardless naman daw, she did a great job. Kahit, ayun, nag-add ng 2 procedures. Kasi, mas madali daw siya pag hindi niya na-hit yung nerve. Pero, ayun. Na-hit niya yung nerve, unfortunately. But, yeah. Well done, my baby. I'm so proud of you. Don't keep biting it. Just let it rest. Because you can't feel anything. Rest. Yeah, just rest. Don't bite the teeth on the top. I'm so proud of you, my love. You did a great job. Anyway, sana makaabot pa tayo sa gymnastics ni Mia. Kasi uwi pa kami to change her. 4 o'clock yung start. Siguro kaya pa naman ng time. Kaya lang traffic, guys. Yun yung problema. Palabas na ng mga bata. Ano na? 3:23. So, tamang-tama. Labasan na. School rush. Which one? This one? Yeah, this one has got something in here on your lip. So, stop doing this. Because the more you do this, the more it will ouchie you. The more it will hurt you. Yeah? Okay, stop touching. It's on your lip. Not there. It's on your lip, baby. Yeah, it's here, oh. So, it will become white. Because it's swelling already. Because you can't feel this lip. Because it's numb. Okay?
That's the very cute.
It's numb. That's why you can't feel it. So don't.
No, it's the very cute over here.
What is it?
It's lime.
Huh?
Here's the lime.
The line? That's your teeth. You already have line there.
I think that's the blood.
Oh, it's not blood. It's not blood.
It looks like blood.
Oh, it's okay. Now try to sleep and you will forget it. Okay. Oh, it's ouchy. Oh, okay, stop. Now, mommy hold it for you. Okay? Hold it. Oh, shh. Mommy read you a story. Okay, mommy read the story. You don't want? Okay, mommy quiet na lang. Okay. Oh, try to close your eyes. Maybe you fall asleep. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear. It's okay na, it's okay. Ang good girl mo. You were so good there. Yung lips niya daw masakit. Di ko alam. Oh, okay na. Oh. The lips ouchie. Yeah, because you keep touching it. Is it the lips here? Yeah, okay. It's okay, baby. Should I? Mommy called the dentist, Hello, people. Tinatry ko siya patulugin kanina, pero hindi siya natulog talaga. So, nanonood na naman siya sa phone ko. Ay, don't bite. Tinatry ko siya na hindi i-bite yung lip niya kasi magsuswollen siya tapos yung may mga puti-puti. Yeah, she's trying naman her best not to bite. Pero may nafe-feel siya, I don't know. Hindi na kami pumunta ng gymnastics niya, guys. Kasi sabi ko, gusto ko ma-monitor kung kinakagat niya yung mouth niya or minamunch niya yung mouth niya. Ayan siya. So, dyan lang siya. So, tinawagan namin si Daddy. Sabi ni Daddy, wanna go time zone later, Mia? Oo naman daw siya, pero umiiyak kanina nga. Kanina pa siya umiiyak. Grabe talaga. Sabi niya, masakit daw na. So, painful talaga. So, mabuti nga yun, nag-stop na siya. Kanina, grabe, di ko na alam ano gagawin ko para tumahan lang siya. Kasi sakit-sakit daw. Grabe pa yung luha, guys. Parang maaawa ka talaga. Ewan ko na lang. So, good good timing naman yung pa-gymnastics niya talaga. So, kinancel ko yung gymnastics kasi trial lang naman siya today. So, kinancel ko yun. Magbubook na lang ako for next week. So, tinawagan ko din yung dentist kung yung clinic kanina. Pero hindi pa siya lang nag-call back eh. So, di ko alam kung normal lang ba na masakit yung lips. Kasi, hindi naman niya masyado binabite. As in, on the way home pa lang kami, nagreklamo na siya na masakit yung lips niya daw. Pero yung tooth hindi masakit. Yung lips niya lang masakit. So, I don't know kung normal yan. Sabi niya, Mami ko, pinapatawagan sa akin yung dentist. Ayoko the dentist. I want the dentist here. Sabi niya, take it out. Pinapakuha niya yung yung silver cup. Masakit yung dito niya na lips, tsaka dito. Di ko alam. May nakikita akong parang nag-white na parang nag-swollen. Kasi yun yung result. Lagay ko yung picture dito. So, pag numb daw siya, tapos yun yung ginagawa mo, like kinakagat or ginaganon-ganon. So, yan yung result. So, ina-avoid ko kasi ang pangit tingnan. Tsaka mas masakit siya tingnan. So, ina-avoid ko, ina-explain ko talaga sa kanya na wag mo ganyan, wag mo ganito. Kasi ikaw kawawa later pag magganyan. So, nakakaawa siya. Ang galing-galing niya dun. As in, ang galing-galing niya during the procedure. Pero, ang after naman, guys. Ang after naman yung problema. Kasi nga, kailangan mo i-avoid na hindi niya kagatin. Sabi ni Daddy, para malibang siya, punta kayo time zone mamaya. So, sabi ko, sige, punta kami time zone kasi magpupool sila sa city. So, sa city kami pupunta. Tapos, magdi-dinner muna kami and then sila magpupool daw. Magpi-play sila. So, kami ni Mia punta ng time zone after. Kakaloka. So, pag nakikita ko siyang ganon niya, ina-avoid ko talaga, guys. Kasi ayoko magkaganon yung niya, yung lips niya. Parang ang sakit tingnan. Masakit na nga ngayon, no. Ganyan pa lang, ha. Wala pang puti-puti masyado, ha. Lalo na pag ganun kalaki. Oh my gosh, hindi ko na alam. Nag-edit ako kanina before kami umalis pero hindi pa natapos. So, hindi ko alam kung matatapos siya ngayon. Kasi, anong oras na ba? 4:35 na ng hapon, guys. Kawawa naman ating bata. Nood-nood lang siya ng video. Okay lang, para malibang. Kaysa kagatin niya yung mouth niya, diba?
Oh, you want it? Okay. What's that?
What is it? Show mommy.
I don't even know what it is.
I'll
Not yet.
surprise you. Wait.
Surprise me? Later? Okay. Busy pa siya. Kumakain. Eat on the other side only na on the ano.
My hand's too dirty, see?
Okay, your hand's dirty. Okay, you open it later. Okay, open later. Hello guys! Magdi-dinner kami sa Korean restaurant sa city.
The baby.
I'm gonna look after baby, okay. Alam mo yung mga nilalaro niyang
Poor baby with
pretend.
the
Yung ano siya, nanganganak daw siya. Yun yung mga pretend na nilalaro niya for some reason. Gusto niya yung nanganganak siya, guys. Tapos sabihin niya, Call Marshall, I need help. Tapos nilalagay niya to sa loob ng damit niya. Tapos manganganak daw siya. Like, ginaganyan niya sa loob. Ang cute-cute. Saan niya kaya nakuha yung mga idea na ganyan? Oh my gosh. Sa mga... Ewan ko na lang. Tapos ito daw yung anak niya, si Rabbit. Rabbit daw to. Yan. My goodness. So, doon tayo kakain sa Marubang Korean restaurant sa city. So, after doon, si Mia pupunta ng time zone. So, nagre-ready na yung mga boys. Kasi galing sila sa work. So, naligo pa sila.
Yeah, this one. You can. Last time we eat on top, right?
Yeah, we're going on top.
No, I mean
Barbecue.
like last time.
This, at the bottom is a la carte, and then on top is barbecue.
Dito na kami sa Marubang Korean restaurant. Ito na yung mga side dishes natin, guys. Daming tao na kumakain. My gosh. Kimchi lang yung gusto kong kainin. Sa mga side dishes nila, kimchi lang. You okay, Malak?
Yeah.
Ito na yung meat namin, guys. Pero wala pa kaming lulutuan. Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Mia's going to time zone now. Pero hanap pa kami ng parking, guys. Since Friday, ang daming nandito sa city. So, excited na mag time zone. Where is the lift? Where is the lift? You're so good, my love. You're so good at it. Well done, baby. Hey, the bottom. Dito tayo sa Formosa, sa kung saan naglaro si Daddy ng pool. Mia, sit down.